if you're experiencing login errors on Uber. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the Uber app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Uber app installed. Go to your device's app store, search for Uber, and update it if necessary. Step 3. Reset your password. If you can't log in, consider resetting your password. Use the Forgot Password option on the login screen and follow the instructions sent to your email. Step 4. Clear out cache. For Android users, go to Settings, find the Uber app and clear its cache. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted data. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Uber's customer support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their website for further help. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors you encounter on Uber. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from Uber's support team.